Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key battery on your Hyundai key. So first we're going to want to take out the spare key. This is used for when your car battery goes flat, so you can open the car and get under the bonnet to get to the battery. So if we see in here, it's got two slots. It's got the one where the key goes down, it's got another one slightly next to it. So we're going to put our screwdriver in here. We're going to push down and push the screwdriver across away from the key. So if we do that, that will, as you can see here, that'll open the case. So once we have it open just a little bit more, we can gently pull it apart. So this one we don't need to worry about when changing the battery. This is where your, like, the receiver and everything comes for. So here's the battery. We're going to want to take this out. And we can see here, so the battery in this remote is a CR, see if it will focus, CR2032. So once we're done with this, you can see the positive on the battery, the positive on the key itself. We're going to want to slide it in, facing downwards. Make sure it clips in properly, otherwise it won't work. And simply just reverse. So you want to find the chrome shiny part, make sure that lines up. And then it is a bit tight, but you'll just go around the key, just clip it down. Once you've done that, just grab the spare key, click it in, and you're done. Alright, if this is helpful for you, I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. If there's a specific key you want me to do, just leave it in the comments and I'll try and get a hold of one. Alright, thanks so much. Bye.